In today's rapidly evolving world, the future of technology is here, and Tesla is leading the charge. From revolutionizing the automotive industry to redefining robotics, Tesla's latest advancements are not just about innovation, they're about creating solutions that meet humanity's most pressing needs. The Tesla Optimus Gen 3 humanoid robot and the Model 2 electric vehicle are not just products, they represent breakthroughs that could reshape our lives in profound ways. Why you need to know about Tesla's next big thing. Imagine a world where robots assist the elderly, help people with disabilities, and make daily tasks seamless. Picture an affordable electric vehicle that's faster, more efficient, and eco-friendly, all while costing less than ever before. Tesla is making this vision a reality, and here's why you should care. Loneliness among the elderly is a silent epidemic. According to statistics, 65% of seniors in America feel lonely when carrying out daily tasks alone. The demand for service robots is skyrocketing, with projections showing a staggering 177% annual growth in the sector until 2025. Tesla's Optimus Gen 3 is emerging as a game-changer, stepping up to meet this demand with cutting-edge technology and unmatched capabilities. Why Tesla Optimus is really a game-changer. Tesla Optimus isn't just a robot, it's a revolutionary tool designed to make life easier, safer, and more fulfilling. Equipped with advanced artificial intelligence and deep learning capabilities, Optimus can perform a variety of tasks, from assisting with household chores to caring for the elderly and disabled. Some key capabilities include smart home integration, controlling devices, managing security systems, and syncing with other IoT devices. Daily assistance, tasks like picking up and dropping off items, cleaning, preparing meals, and even helping with exercises like yoga. Elderly care, reducing loneliness and fostering independence through companionship and support. Disability support, assisting with mobility, transportation, and daily tasks. Optimus is not just a helper, it's a companion. Its ability to interact naturally, recognize human emotions, and adapt to various environments sets it apart from other robots in the market. What truly makes Optimus superior? Tesla Optimus Gen 3 boasts some of the most advanced technology ever seen in robotics. Dexterous hands. With 11 degrees of freedom and tactile sensing, its hands are among the best in the industry, enabling it to perform precise and complex tasks. AI integration. Powered by Tesla's real-world navigation AI, Optimus can learn, adapt, and operate autonomously. Reinforcement learning. It improves its performance over time, making it smarter with every interaction. Natural language processing. Optimus can understand and respond to human speech, making communication intuitive. These features make Optimus a versatile tool, equally effective in homes, industries, and commercial settings. Industrial and commercial opportunities. While its domestic applications are transformative, Optimus is also poised to revolutionize industries. Manufacturing. Performing repetitive tasks with precision, Optimus can boost efficiency and reduce labor costs by up to 16%. Service sectors. In hotels, tourism, and retail, Optimus can enhance customer experiences by providing efficient and personalized service. Recent footage from Tesla showcases Optimus Gen 2 in a factory setting, performing tasks like moving batteries and assembling components. These demonstrations highlight the robot's potential to increase production capacity by 10 to 20%, which could translate to an additional 100,000 to 200,000 vehicles produced annually. Is this truly a robot for everyone? Elon Musk envisions Optimus as a mass-market product, with a price tag below $20,000. This affordability could make advanced robotics accessible to millions, further solidifying Tesla's role as a leader in innovation. The Tesla Model 2, a game-changer for affordable EVs. While Optimus redefines robotics, Tesla's Model 2 is set to revolutionize electric vehicles, EVs. Designed to be affordable without compromising on performance, the Model 2 represents a significant leap forward in sustainable transportation. How Tesla is cutting costs without sacrificing quality. The Model 2's affordability is achieved through groundbreaking innovations, including 1. Silicon carbide reduction. By reducing the use of silicon carbide by 75%, Tesla has slashed costs while maintaining performance. 2. Optimized drivetrain. Advanced design and fewer components result in a 40% reduction in manufacturing costs. 3. Dual inverter technology. Combining silicon carbide and traditional silicon systems optimizes efficiency and reduces expenses. Performance that defies expectations. Despite cost reductions, the Model 2 offers impressive performance. Acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds. Range, up to 270 miles per charge, an improvement over previous models. Efficiency, enhanced power output with reduced energy consumption. Why this matters? By making EVs more affordable and efficient, Tesla is democratizing sustainable transportation, paving the way for a greener future. The bigger picture, Tesla's vision for humanity. Tesla's innovations go beyond products, they're about solving global challenges. From addressing labor shortages to enhancing quality of life, Tesla's advancements in robotics and EVs reflect a commitment to creating a better world. Why this is just the beginning. As Tesla continues to push the boundaries of technology, the possibilities are endless. Whether it's the next generation of humanoid robots or affordable, high-performance EVs, Tesla is shaping the future in ways that were once thought impossible. Tesla's Optimus and Model 2 are more than technological marvels, they're symbols of what's possible when innovation meets purpose. As these breakthroughs become a part of our everyday lives, one thing is clear: the future is here, and it's powered by Tesla.